Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Home Gardens, local and long distance movers near me. Our expert movers know how to ensure your long distance move doesn't involve all the stress. Hiring our crew to assist you means your cross country move will go efficiently. Our moving solutions give you all the best options to customize your move for your specific requirements. Our experts take care of all the necessary moving choices, including the following. Choosing to work with a local moving company may seem like it's not worth the expense. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the expense. Any respectable moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. Movers may also ensure you don't have to worry about injury because you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our crew of skilled workers will make sure your move is very efficient. You do not need to stress over spending multiple days managing your move when you select 3 movers to help. A move that might take you all weekend to perform, we can get done in a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Home Gardens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.